right, talk about old meets new. These are old cars, totally modded up. They're called retro mods, and we're gonna do an NFT series on them.
We got two perfect examples of 1963 split window Corvette resto mods. We got the white here and the black. What's cool about a resto mod is the outside of the car. So the original body of the car, but everything about the car is new. It's all the new modifications, the modern luxuries of a new car, but when you look at it on the outside, it looks old. And inside, we got LS engines, disc brakes. You saw the beautiful interior, LED touchscreens, all new gauges, the rims, the tires. Everything about these cars are pretty much new, but man, they look like the old classic car we all love.